This traffic stop looks routine until it absolutely isn't. What starts as a speeding allegation quickly spirals into a full-blown DUI investigation, a heated roadside debate over rights, and an arrest that leaves everyone asking the same question. Did this situation escalate because of impairment or because of attitude? Tonight, we're breaking down a case where confusion, confrontation, and legal gray areas collide. You'll hear officers coaching each other in real time, watch a driver challenge every step of the process, and see how a few key decisions completely change the outcome. Stay with us, because what happens later, especially after the arrest, adds a whole new layer to how this case ends. This episode is brought to you by BodyCam Pro. Be sure to check the link below, subscribe to his channel, and give him the credit he deserves.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? Officer Delayed in the Cape Coral Police Department. The reason I pulled you over is you passed us going 51 on Del Prado, and then you're going about 65 on Veterans, driving in and out of traffic. Do you have your license and registration on you?
Yeah, I need napkins. I have sinus problems. I think my registration's in here. I don't know. Huh. Hold on, let me give you my license.
Okay.
That.
Thank you. Any luck on that registration?
Yes, I have my registration. I gotta find. Hold on one. I'm sorry.
It's okay. No, you're sorry.
I don't know where the put it. Honestly, it's in a book. Or wait. Hold on.
Where are you coming from tonight?
I picked them up.
Who's them?
Them.
Friends, family?
Friends.
Yep.
Get up.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I have a number. What's that? I have a number. Do you have an odor?
This moment is crucial. When the officer confirms an odor of alcohol, that alone doesn't equal a DUI, but it does open the door to further investigation. Add in alleged speeding, weaving through traffic, and confusion over basic documents, and officers now have what's called reasonable suspicion. Notice how another officer begins coaching. This happens more often than people realize. They're carefully stacking observable indicators, driving behavior, speech patterns, and physical cues. Here's the big question for viewers. At this point, do you think there's enough justification to escalate this into a DUI investigation, or is this still a stretch? Because from here on out, every interaction builds toward that decision.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So, go ahead and set that stuff up there because we don't need it right now. You've seen this? Yeah. Have you used it on a DUI investigation? I've not, no. Alright, so the way this works is, so you're going to ask her to step out of the car, she comes out, you're going to explain to her that you've got some signs of impairment, you're going to start a DUI investigation. She asks what you're talking about, you could say, you got odor of alcohol coming from you.
Slurred speech.
There's slurred speech, bloodshot glassy eyes. Did she have bloodshot glassy eyes?
A little bit.
Okay.
I mean, I didn't have a perfect look of her eyes, but her
Okay.
speech was slurred, and then I had to keep reminding her to get her registration.
All right. And then you can just say that there's a few other items that I'm seeing. You don't have to go into great detail because then it can become an argument.
Yeah.
But at least you have two indicators, right? And then you can always, your driving's a little aggressive as well, Also, there was a time there that she was crossing the lines. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
When we came up here, she hit that.
She moved over a little bit.
Yep. So I'll have that. So when you get her out, you say, hey, I want to start a DUI investigation. Are you willing to participate in standardized field
Sobriety exercise.
Yep. And then from here, you just start at the bottom. Are you sick or injured? Do you have any physical limitations right here? The only one that I would, or there's two, doctor, dentist. All right. And then when you say physical limitations, any problems with your hips, your knees, your ankles, your legs, anything like that? No. All right. Are you seeing a doctor or dentist for anything regularly? Type of stuff. And then right here,
Is it just yes or no, or do I get their name?
if they have info, go ahead and draw it. You can write whatever you want on this. You write notes.
Yeah.
Eyeglasses, contacts, are you blind in either eye? And then from here, we'll do this. All right? I'm going to have you do HGN, and then I'm going to do it and check it. Okay? So I'll explain it to her once you do that HN, and then we'll move into walk and turn, one leg stand. It's occupied twice. There's a female in the front as well. All right. So, and then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put.
Hello, ma'am. Would you step out for me?
Why?
I'm asking you to, please.
No, listen. No questions. No questions.
No, but I need to know why.
Well, I don't have to tell you why, but I'm going to.
This exchange is where tension really spikes. Legally speaking, an officer does not need to explain every detail to ask a driver to step out of the vehicle during a lawful stop. But, and this is key, how that authority is communicated can dramatically affect compliance. You can hear frustration building on both sides. The driver wants answers, the officer wants control of the scene. This is often where cases begin to unravel, not because of intoxication, but because of escalating emotions. So here's the question. Should officers explain more to gain cooperation, or does that invite more resistance? The answer isn't as simple as it sounds.
Dude,
I sense some signs of impairment.
I don't want no issues.
Oh my.
Oh, get out.
Just wait in the car. Just wait in the car.
Oh, okay. All right.
Why does it make everything complicated?
Just relax.
Step out for me.
But why? Can I ask why?
Yeah, we'll go over it once we're out here.
Okay.
Please.
Good. Step over here for me.
So the reason we're having you come out, we're seeing signs of impairment, we want to start a DUI investigation. That means you participating in standardized field sobriety evaluations. Are you willing to participate in standardized field?
No, I'm not impaired. I'm dropping them off over here. I'm going home. I live right off of Nicholas.
Okay. So the only way we can go forward from this is if you participate. If you don't participate, we have to make our...
This is one of the most misunderstood parts of DUI law. Field sobriety exercises are technically voluntary, but refusing them doesn't make the problem go away. Instead, officers are allowed to rely solely on their observations to establish probable cause for arrest. When the driver argues, delays, and goes back and forth, that indecision itself becomes part of the officer's assessment. From a legal standpoint, this is where the driver's options narrow fast. So let me ask you, would you have refused these tests or taken them to try to clear your name? Either choice carries real consequences.
Judgment based off the observations we've seen so far.
What is your judgment for you to feel that way?
You have slurred speech, an odor of alcohol.
I don't have slurred speech. I don't have alcohol.
If you don't participate in standardized field sobriety evaluations, then you can't dispel our fear of your impairment. Okay? So are you willing to participate in standardized field sobriety evaluations?
What does that include?
We're going to check your eyes, and then we're going to have you do the walk and turn and the one leg stand.
Whatever.
Okay.
So you're willing to participate?
I'm not blowing, but you can do whatever the you want to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just step right in front of the car over here.
So you put you in front of the light so you can feel impaired. Fantastic.
Well, why would the light make you feel impaired?
Because it puts your judgment off, obviously.
All right, so I have some questions for you, okay? Are you sick and injured at all?
But why did you pull me over? Why
pulled
did you
you
pull-
over
Why? Why was I pulled over?
First off, you passed us going 51 on Del Prado. We followed you on Veterans. You're getting in and out of traffic, going 60 miles an hour on Veterans.
66 miles an hour.
66 miles an hour.
What? Do you have your proof of that?
Yes. Our observations.
Our
Yes.
observations. As long as-
Observation is proof?
Yeah.
I don't.
Do you want to participate?
If I don't, then what? You
Then
arrest me?
we have to
It's making a judgment.
What's your judgment?
It's up to you whether or not you want to participate.
I mean, I'm not drunk.
Okay?
If I were or weren't speeding, I'm not saying either or,
Okay. So
but I'm
the question
not
I have.
impaired.
Okay, so my question for you is: would you like to participate in some field sobriety exercises to dispel my fear that you may be intoxicated?
Am I allowed to, research first?
Research? No.
It's just yes or no.
No.
You don't want to?
No.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, fine, then yes.
Put your hands.
Then, no, then yes, yes,
no,
yes.
we're not going back and forth with this.
Why?
Okay, because.
Stop.
Oh, that's,
We're not going back.
Now
and
I'm
forth.
resisting.
Stop.
Oh, that's.
This is the turning point. Once an officer gives a lawful command, like placing hands behind the back, hesitation, pulling away, or tensing up can legally be interpreted as resistance, even without violence. That's why things escalate so quickly here. From the driver's perspective, it feels overwhelming and excessive. From law enforcement's view, compliance is no longer happening. This is exactly how additional charges get added in seconds. The hard truth? Arguing roadside almost never helps. Do you think this arrest was unavoidable at this point, or could it still have been de-escalated?
Very forceful.
Stop pulling away.
Make sure you record. Make sure you record because this is a normal thing for Florida. Oh, I'm resisting. Oh my God, I'm 100 pounds. I'm resisting.
Stop pulling away.
Resisting.
Woohoo, I'm resisting. What did I do?
Stop pulling away.
What did I
Stop
do?
pulling away.
What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
Stop resisting.
What did I
Stop
do?
pulling.
Tensing up. Stop.
I'm
pulling away.
okay.
Stop.
I'm tensing up. Okay, I got 3 cops on me, and I'm 130 pounds, not even, and I'm tensing up. Okay. What the f is that?
Stop pulling.
Really? This is okay. Okay. But I need my phone and I need my wallet.
Okay.
If you want to arrest me
Here you go.
for doing nothing, so okay. Blow me. You want to blow? You want to blow? You want to blow?
Yes.
Come on.
The
let's
next
go.
the next thing
Come
we
on,
were
let's go.
going to ask you to do
Come on,
is
let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it
provide
right
a
now.
sample of your breath. to determine
Let's do
how-
it right now.
Okay, we're gonna
right now.
we're gonna
Let's do
take you down
it. Let's do it.
Get in the car right now. You open that again, you're going to jail. Do you understand me?
You're grabbing me like that?
When you keep tensing up.
Oh, okay. You know what's funny?
Go ahead and pat her
is
down. Put her in
you're
the car.
gonna- Yeah.
Come over here for me. Come over here.
Stop pulling.
Hey, record this.
Keep the car.
Stop
Don't touch-
tensing up.
Are you trying to? What are you doing, bro? Are you trying to assault me? Ew, she's grabbing me.
Stop tensing up.
Tensing up, she's grabbing my. What's on me? Look at me. Back up. What's on me? What's on me?
Sit down.
I want my wallet and my keys.
Get
and
in
my
the car.
Where's on my? Really? Okay. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued.
Let's do it down. Is that one mine? This one, too, sir. Thank you. Have them go ahead and step on it. All right. Stepping out for me. Come on back here.
You dragged me out.
Just come back here. Back of the car. Step out for me.
Yes, sir.
Back of the car.
Yes, sir. Sorry. We just met her tonight, and we were just trying to get to the next bar, and that's all that was happening. And she said, "We'll take you to the next bar," and that was it. That was all that happened tonight.
So you don't know her personally at all?
No, sir. No, sir.
We just met her at Rusty's.
Yeah, we just met her tonight. We were only at Rusty's for like an hour. And then we went to the deck. We had one drink there, and then we were on our way here. And we were like, "Would you mind dropping this off?" And then she's like, "Yeah, I can take you."
White
And then we didn't know she was
Signal 1.
doing the scene like that. I heard you say speed limit. We didn't know. And yes, I know it's illegal double passengering. So she was just going to drop us off here, and we were going to Uber for you. That's it.
Do you guys have licenses or ID cards?
Yes.
I have my
Yes.
ID.
I have ID, yes. I just don't know why she was making, like I said, I don't know why she would make a big scene. And, like, you guys were just telling her to get out. That was it. She would be like, why this? Why that? Listen, follow the rules. Just do what they say, please. Like, I was trying to tell her, but she's like, no. No, not really. No,
You
not
just
really.
met her at
Yeah,
Rusty's.
okay.
she was already there.
So you
before
weren't
we
with
were.
her the whole time?
Yeah, yeah, she was already there
Maybe
before
like
we
30
were.
minutes.
Yeah.
Did you see her drink anything while you're at Rusty's?
This probably had like
No.
a shot of tequila,
Yeah.
maybe.
Tequila.
She had a shot, and then at the deck, she had a shot. That's all.
And then we came here.
Okay.
Yeah.
These statements quietly change everything. Independent witnesses confirm alcohol consumption, even if they minimize it. In court, this matters a lot. It supports the officer's observations and weakens the defense argument that there was no impairment at all. Also notice the contrast in demeanor: calm, cooperative, and apologetic. Jurors and judges notice that too. This section often doesn't get attention, but it plays a huge role later when charges and sentencing are decided. Ask yourself, how different would this case look without these witness statements?
I've never gotten in trouble with cops before, so this is like my first time, and I'm like nervous about it. So that's why I'm all shaky and antsy.
You guys are both good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Please
Thank you for your time.
try and being safe. Walking.
Yes, yes. And I'm actually, like I said,
Get an
I
Uber.
apologize for what you guys have to deal with all the time. I know it's probably rough for you guys. And it shouldn't be at all.
All right, right on the Bratmobile.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, you guys have a
Thank
good
you.
night.
Safe.
Thank you. Be
Thank
safe.
you guys.
April 4301 on unit check-in 10-4.
Are we leaving?
Yeah.
Can I please get my wallet and my phone because I don't have any
Yep. Grab a wallet, phone. Do you have house keys? Do you have house keys?
She was charged with DUI and resisting arrest without violence. She was sentenced to 6 months of probation, required to complete DUI school, perform 50 hours of community service, and had her driver's license suspended for 6 months.
In the end, the outcome reflects the full chain of events, not just the driving. She was convicted of DUI and resisting arrest without violence, resulting in 6 months of probation, mandatory DUI school, 50 hours of community service, and a 6-month license suspension. This case is a textbook example of how roadside decisions ripple forward into court consequences. It's not just about whether someone drank, it's about behavior, cooperation, and escalation under pressure. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom and police cam breakdowns.